Hi my friends, this is Ian Stewart, and in this video I want to show you how to build a simple splash page. So to get to your splash page builder, simply click on your Pro Member Tools and then click here. Okay, these are the ones that I've already built, and now what I want to do is to show you how to build a simple splash page. So let me just put in there simple splash page. Okay, so you have to name the splash page that you want to build. Okay, so if it's for Buildabizonline, you could put Buildabizonline 1 in there if you're going to build several different splash pages and try them all out. And then you could put for your next one, Buildabizonline 2, Buildabizonline 3, and so on. If you are, say, I don't know, say you are promoting, I don't know, GDI, then you would put GDI 1, and I would make a number of different splash pages. But that's the title I'm giving this one, and it will appear in the left hand column just there. Okay, so save my splash page. Your splash page was successfully named. Please click here to choose a template. So if you choose this one, okay, the default one, you will have a ready built page to promote Buildabizonline. So you must choose another one, okay? And for a simple splash page, you would always want to choose one with a click here. If it, in other words, it's a call to action, the word in click here, or a button or something like that, okay? So if you see here, this palm trees and decking, that's the background that you would have, but there's no click here. So you would either have to use your own, or if you want to turn it into a autoresponder, then you would use that one. But there is another template on that theme, so I want to use that one. So whereabouts did that go? I have seen it somewhere down the bottom there. So palm trees decking, okay. I'm going to choose that one. Okay, so I'm going to update, and there we have it. Okay, so that is the one that I've chosen. So for a start, let us just go over and have a look at our page. Okay, so you can do that simply by scrolling down to the bottom, clicking here, and then scroll down to the bottom of this settings page, and then click just here. Okay, and that is what we've got at the moment. You've got a click here, that's what I call it. So it's a call to action, click here, and at this particular time, this is going to, can you let me just bring this down a little. Okay, if I hover over it, can you see bottom left, that is going to my affiliate link. Okay, so I need to change that. So how do we do that? So let's go back to our members area, and we need to come into here, and we need to change this. This is what we need to do. So, well, I'm actually going to leave it like that. But if you're going to promote something like GDI, you would put your GDI affiliate link in there. And then when people click on that, it will show your GDI link once you've refreshed the page, that is. Okay, so I'm going to leave that as it is. And as you can see, there's no text on here, just a default, just a bit of default. That's all, your site title. So if you look at this, where can you see that? Your site title, it's just there, look. So if you want to alter that, you can do, and I suggest you do. And I'm going to call this one, I'm going to put the fastest oops. Oh my life, what am I doing? Fast. That's better. I don't know what I'm writing here. The fastest method to generate a list. Okay, so that's where I'm going. Oops, I'm not spelled that right either. Generate, that's better. Okay, now what I'm going to do here as well, I'm going to, for the sake of speed, copy that, and I'm going to put that, okay, in there, and I'm going to put list build, and then a comma. These are the keywords, and Google will rank it eventually. Okay, list. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove that one, and I'm going to put a little comma there. Okay, so these are what we call keywords, and it's important. So list build, fastest. Okay, I think that will do for now, and I'm going to end with a comma as well. Okay, now what I need to do is to put some info in here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over to Buildabizonline, and I've already highlighted some text that I want, and it's this here. Okay, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go over to a notepad, because when you copy things, it picks up a lot of formatting. So if you come to a notepad, this notepad here, and then paste your text in here, and it deletes all that formatting. Just trust me, believe me. Okay, copy. So there we have it. So now we can come back over to here, and I'm going to paste that. So Control V will paste that. I'm going to get rid of that full stop at the end. I want this. I want this just like that. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to blow this up to around about, I think, 22. I'm actually going to make this a different color. Let's have a look now. I'm going to make it this nice blue, because there's a lot of blue in our template, isn't there? And I'm actually going to go like that, and I'm going to go off. Okay, now I'm going to click save. I'm going to come here, and you can see there's no difference, because you've got to refresh the page. So there we have it. Okay, now it might make it pop better. I'm going to alter this, because I want a little bit more wording in there. Okay, so I'm going to come up here to generate a list online today. Okay, and I'm going to put that. Then I'm going to come down to the bottom. I'm going to click update. Okay, I'm going to come down here. I'm going to hit that, and we've got it. That's it. We've got a bit more wording in there. Now I think I need to just make that, oops, a little bit different. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make that bold, and I'm also going to italicize it. Okay, you can either click save there, or as you just saw me do, update just there, and you go, oh, there's no difference. That's because you've got to refresh the page. Okay, now we could actually make this pop a little bit more. I think we're going to pick up some of this green. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to highlight that again. I'm going to come to the colors just here. I'm going to click maybe this darker green. Have a look. Gorgeous. Click save or update at the bottom of the page. Come over here, and then we're going to go buff. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, maybe I need to make this stick out a little bit more. So just play about with the colours. Black was actually okay. I think it was okay. Okay, so that's how to build a simple splash page. You know what you want as the contents, so you just play about with it as much as you want. And don't forget um, to alter your affiliate link just there. Okay, so that's how to build a simple splash page. There are more difficult methods as you start to get more confident. And if you cannot do that, but you know that your sponsor has got a really good splash page over at Buildabizonline, then you can actually now ask his permission. Let me just come over here again. And you can see when you came into um, your splash page builder, there are 2 extra links in here that you can use. So this is the link to have a look at your splash page, okay, and that's the one that you would promote. This is where you change your template. You can do that anytime you wish. This is the settings where you go and add more, where you alter your affiliate links and add more content, and then you can share your splash page. Okay, now on this page there's going to be another video. I haven't quite got around to doing that yet because this is brand new today. And you can also import a splash page. So if your sponsor has created a really nice splash page and you want to copy it, there will be a video in here very shortly, and that will tell you how to do that, how to copy it. Okay, my friends? So that's how to build a simple splash page. So thanks for listening. Bye for now. And please, can you subscribe to our channel, because it's our training channel, and every time I do add a new video, like when I create the video on this page and this page, then you will get notification. Okay, and you'll be first in the queue to look at the videos. Okay, thanks for listening, and bye for now.